So morning guys, it's raining like crazy and it's been raining all night, and as I have nothing to wear on my feet, I took the boots that are broken and I've put in uh, plastic bags over my socks, and then I just dressed the boots. So I have a pool in my shoes but they didn't touch my feet. Well, that's a good name for a song, but anyway, I had a rough week. I'm gonna talk about it in the other video. I just wanted to say hi, and yeah, it's rough. I'm just not, I'm trying not to let it get to me. Yep, but it does. So anyway, oh, it's really raining. So love you guys. Talk to you soon. Sorry for the absence, but yeah, there's a lot of things to say, but I'll say it in the other video because it's gonna have to be long and I have to really write what I'm gonna say because there's too much to say. I don't want to forget anything. So love you guys and big kiss. Bye.